Hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, retinol. No, you're not in chemistry lab, but most likely in the skincare aisle reading ingredient labels. So, what do these ingredients do, and why do dermatologists swear by them? And can they help you with your aging skin, giving exactly what it needs in those skincare products? Dr. Rocio Rivera, who's here on behalf of my trusted sponsorship partner, L'Oreal Paris, is here to tell us more. Why do dermatologists love these ingredients? Why do the experts like you swear by them?
Well, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and retinol are three of the top most effective and derm-proven ingredients, Dr. Ross. But even me as a scientist, I get confused in the skincare aisle. So why don't we do something? Why don't we rename them for what dermatologists use them for?
All right.
Hyaluronic acid to plump, vitamin C to brighten, and retinol to reduce wrinkles. That's all you need to know.
All right, then you're going to drive it home with a couple demonstrations. We're going to walk you through all three of these ingredients very specifically. We'll start with hyaluronic acid, which is incredibly powerful when you use it correctly.
Yes.
So I put your little skin demo here. Think of your skin cells, not the ones that make this beautiful skin, but the ones that may give rise to wrinkly skin. And they'll sort of do this to you. You see, they're small, they dry, they flake. They don't give you the shine, the beauty that you want.
That's correct. These are the dry cells under our skin, but hyaluronic acid actually, Dr. Ross, plumps the skin from within. And exactly. And what you can see here is, you know, hyaluronic acid, Dr. Ross, is a naturally occurring molecule in our bodies, right? But as we age, we lose it, and that's it has a very aging effect on our skin.
So if this is hyaluronic acid plump cells compared to what I just did, watch.
That happens when you use products with hyaluronic acid. The skin regains that, you know, plump, youthful look that we all want, and they bounce. I mean, take a look at that. This is before and this is after with hyaluronic acid. Quite a change, huh? Plumping, hydrating, just right from, you know, underneath.
And so what do? How do you apply it?
Well, you know, at L'Oreal Paris, we developed the Revitalift Derm Intensives.
Just use my hand. I see when you do it
anyway.
She wants to rub my...
I want the plump ones with hyaluronic acid. We have the Revitalift Derm Intensives ampules, Dr. Ross. These have our highest concentration of pure hyaluronic acid. They've been validated by dermatologists to intensely plump the skin in just 7 days. May I just tell you, don't be fooled by the size. Small but powerful, huh?
Is it?
Yes, the little ampules.
Show me how to use them.
I'm going to show you. Here's what we do. You tap from the top, you crack from the top like that, and here's a little trick. You use the top, and you close it and use it at night. You can use it twice a day. 7-day treatment.
It's clever, it's smart.
Isn't that fantastic?
So twice a day, 7 days.
Twice a day, 7 days for that intense plumping. And this is exactly what your cells...
I like it. All right.
So
plumping is the first thing you said for hyaluronic acid. For vitamin C, you said it was about brightness.
Yes.
Dealing with the aging skin. Now, you have two examples here. Let's say two different people. They both have equal aging skins that have lost that brightness that we crave when we want to look youthful.
That's right. So vitamin C brightens the skin, like you said, Dr. Ross. It is a very powerful antioxidant. As you know, it's a derm must-have. So let's take a look at this. Let's imagine this water represents your uneven, dull skin, like you said, two of them. So what happens when we add vitamin C, a product with vitamin C? Research shows that it actually not only works on future signs of aging, because, you know, this skin, Dr. Ross, this is exactly what happens when we are exposed every day to sun, pollution, dirt. This is what happens. It ages our skin, it becomes dull and even.
So you apply the cream like you just did.
Let's apply, you know, a vitamin C skincare product.
All right. And
look what happens. Look at the before and after.
Isn't that amazing? It's the best demo you've ever done on the show.
I know. Ever. Well, we'd like to bring you the best. Bring you the best for you.
So
but
we
look
have
at that.
brightness back.
Brightness.
And again, this is vitamin C taken primarily topically.
Topically. Research shows that when you apply a product with vitamin C, Dr. Ross, it is not only a very powerful antioxidant. You know, it prevents aging, super important, like with SPF, but it also works on those signs of aging that you already have.
Yeah. You don't want to be this, you want to be this.
Yes, we want to work on that uneven skin tone, the dullness that we all have from the sun, the pollution, the dirt.
Retinol is the third of the ingredients. And retinol, I keep hearing about from dermatologists because it is powerful in so many ways, but you're going to demonstrate what it does.
With retinol, Dr. Ross, reduces wrinkles. It is the most researched and proven molecule that we have. Nothing beats it. And let me just show you what it does. This is our skin, right? It's wrinkle. We have the fine lines, the wrinkles. When you use products with retinol, it smooths out the wrinkles simply like that. No more complicated than that. Smooths it out. Just be consistent, and this is what happens with your wrinkles.
All right, so you've got 3 powerful products at once. How do you combine them so people can actually make the most out of it? And you've formulated a new product that you told me has all 3 ingredients at once.
Yes, so the L'Oreal Revitalift Triple Power Moisturizer, it doesn't have 1, but 3 of the top dermatologists recommended ingredients that we just saw. Hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and pro-retinol. So, plump, brighten, and reduce wrinkles. Because Dr. Ross, you should not settle for a moisturizer that just hydrates. This is why we call it triple power. 3 ingredients, 3 benefits, 1 week.
Yeah, and it's a moisturizer.
It is a fantastic moisturizer. It has terrific texture. This one is actually fragrance. It's a beautiful, beautiful texture. Very easy to use morning and night.
One of the beautiful things about talking about skincare is you actually have people who've tried it. So one of my viewers, Tracy, has been using the Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Ampules and the Revitalift Triple Power Moisturizer for 5 weeks. Is that right?
Yes.
So what was your skin like before you started on this little escapade?
To me, it looked very dull. It looked lifeless. It was dry. I just was embarrassed to even take pictures close up. I saw a lot of lines in my lip and on my smile.
Even before you took this product, I'm sure that you were worth taking pictures of. I don't want you ever thinking that no matter what.
Always.
All right, so you went on the experiment for 5 weeks. How did it turn out?
I love the results. I feel like my skin is smooth. I can feel smoothness. I think it looks smooth. It looks fresh. It looks plump. I noticed that a lot of my lines have disappeared. I am just thrilled with the results. I went to the hairdresser this week, and she actually said something to me without knowing I was taking a product or doing a product.
Oh, that's great. We love to hear
And
that.
she said, your skin looks so much younger and healthier. So I was like, well, actually, and I told her that I've been using the products. I have told some of my friends, they're excited to start beginning to use the products. I absolutely love it. I traveled. It was very little to take along.
Right.
It was wonderful.
A little but powerful, huh?
Yep, as predicted. But Rocio, you've become an influencer.
Yes.
Yes.
People are going to be jealous of you soon.
Thank
Look at
you.
her skin, how radiant, how smooth. You know, it just,
I'm very excited.
beautiful before, beautiful after.
What's the best way to
Thank you.
apply the system?
Well, you use it, like she said, you use it, the ampule, and then you follow with the triple power moisturizer, and visible results in 1 week. That's all you have to
Morning and
do.
evening.
Morning and evening, yes. And use that trick, you use the top if you want to use
Where do
the
you
knife.
find it? What does it cost?
You can find both of these products at Walmart for just under $20 each.
Wow, that's wonderful.
Isn't that fantastic?
Yes.
You know what makes this sustainable? God bless you for coming and sharing your story.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you for
very
having
much.
me.
Thanks to my partner. Go on.
Thank you for sending me the products.
Of course.
That feels good.
It does feel good. You know the work that goes into this, it's
I'm well
such a
aware.
humbling moment for us. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.